watched the sky turn gray between us. Words became walls I couldn't climb. You said goodbye through bitter silence, and I whispered prayers into the night. I still see the spark we had before the storm, but love means letting go even when it burns. So I plant these seeds in the rain and trust you, Lord, to bring the change. Even if I never see their bloom, I'll keep believing you'll break through. Love your neighbor as yourself, you said it clear. Even when they turn away, I'll still hold them near. Love your enemies, bless those who curse your name. Pray for those who hate you, 'cause I once did the same. I'm crying for the ones still lost in the fight. Jesus, bring them home to the light. You said the truth would set us free, but chains still cling to those I love. They're walking blind through the noise and screens, and my heart bleeds for what they've become. Still I'll kneel beside the cross tonight and trust your mercy to open their eyes. I can't draw my sword, I can't fight this hate. You told me peace, not the world's, but yours to take. So I lay my anger down before your flame and pray their hearts remember your name. Love your neighbor as yourself, you said it clear. Even when they turn away, I'll still hold them near. Love your enemies, bless those who curse your name. Pray for those who hate you, 'cause I once did the same. I'm crying for the ones still lost in the fight. Jesus, bring them home to the light. No hatred in my heart, no sword in my hand, just faith in the one who understands. You are the way, the truth, and the life, and your peace is the fire that revives. Love your neighbor as yourself, the hardest thing to do, but grace keeps reminding me you love me too. Even when they mock, I fall to my knees and whisper your mercy over enemies. I'll plant these seeds in the rain tonight and wait for love to bring them to the light.